Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I prepared this vegetable lo mein. To my hot wok I added 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, a cup of yellow onions, 3/4 cups of green bell pepper, and 3/4 cups of sliced carrots, and a cup and a half of romaine lettuce. Now I'm just adding some regular spaghetti noodles that I boiled off camera, and you can use these type of noodles. You can use lo mein noodles. You can use whatever type of noodles you desire. I'm just using what I have on hand. Here I'm adding a teaspoon of soy sauce and a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic. Here I'm adding the sauce to the noodles, and I'm going to stir fry everything together. If you're interested in the sauce that I use to make these lo mein noodles, I'll list the ingredients in the description box below. Stir fry your lo mein noodles until your vegetables are tender to your liking and your sauce has thickened. And voila, here's the finished product. My rendition of vegetable lo mein. I paired this lo mein with some General Tso chicken that I made in the video before this one. So please go and check that video out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And bon appetit.